Picture this. Dubai, a city renowned for its scorching heat and arid landscapes, is suddenly besieged by torrential rainfall. Unprecedented, record-shattering, the rain pours down, transforming the cityscape within hours. Dubai's airport, one of the busiest in the world, grapples with chaos as operations grind to a halt. Flights are cancelled, diverted, stranded, the runways a battlefield against the rising water. Commuters find themselves trapped as impassable roads turn into rivers and city streets into streams, schools shut down, the city's rhythm disrupted by the unexpected downpour. This isn't just a rainstorm, it's the heaviest rainfall Dubai has ever recorded. The desert city, more accustomed to heat waves than downpours, is inundated, grappling with the fury of nature. In just a few hours, the city of gold was transformed into a city of water. As the rain continued to pour, Dubai's streets turned into rivers, causing chaos and confusion. The city, known for its towering skyscrapers and sprawling deserts, was now grappling with an unfamiliar foe, flooding on a scale never seen before. The world's second busiest airport, Dubai Airport, was thrown into disarray. Torrential downpour led to a halt in operations, grounding 21 outbound and 24 inbound flights, with 3 others diverted. The runways, usually a hive of activity, were submerged underwater. Aircrafts designed to conquer the skies were left battling the high waters on the ground. The roads leading to the airport, once bustling with taxis and private cars, were now impassable. Hundreds of passengers found themselves stranded, their journeys abruptly halted by the relentless rain. But the impact of the flood extended beyond Dubai. Neighboring countries felt the ripple effect, with Oman suffering tragic consequences. The floodwaters did not discriminate, leaving behind a path of destruction. Despite the chaos, the spirit of resilience emerged. The city's emergency services worked tirelessly, pumping out water and restoring order amidst the chaos. The people of Dubai rallied together, demonstrating a sense of community and unity in the face of adversity. The flood left a trail of destruction in its wake, but the city's resilience shone through. As the rain subsided and the water levels receded, Dubai began its journey towards recovery. The flood was a stark reminder of the power of nature and the need for preparedness and resilience in the face of climate change. But what does this unprecedented rainfall and flooding mean from a climate perspective? Let's peel back the layers to understand the potential connection between this extreme weather event and climate change. Scientists have long warned that climate change could increase the likelihood of extreme weather events. The torrential rains that caused the Dubai flood could be an example of this. The irony here is hard to ignore. The flood occurred in a city located in a country that is heavily reliant on oil and gas production, both major contributors to climate change. Last year's COP28 climate summit held in Dubai focused on reducing reliance on fossil fuels. However, there was significant criticism for hosting the summit in a country so dependent on oil and gas. The flood is a stark contrast to the discussions of the summit, serving as a real-life example of the potential consequences of climate change. This event underscores the urgency and importance of the discussions and decisions made at such summits. The world is watching, and the impacts of climate change are becoming more tangible and immediate. The flood serves as a stark reminder of the urgent need for climate action. As the city recovers, the question on everyone's mind is, how can we prevent such a disaster in the future? Indeed, the solutions are multifaceted and demand our collective commitment. Firstly, infrastructure planning needs a revamp. Taking a cue from the Netherlands and its exceptional water management system, cities must be designed with resilience in mind. This includes stormwater management systems that can effectively handle extreme rainfall events. Secondly, robust climate adaptation strategies are essential. This means developing comprehensive plans that address a range of climate-related threats, from floods and heat waves to droughts and sea level rise. It's about being proactive, not reactive. Thirdly, we need to shift our focus to renewable energy. Reducing our reliance on fossil fuels is paramount. As the COP28 summit highlighted, achieving net zero emissions by 2050 is a global priority, and we must all play our part. But none of this can be accomplished in isolation. International cooperation in addressing climate change is crucial. Countries must work together, share knowledge and resources, and commit to collective action. The Dubai flood of 2024 is a wake-up call. It's time for us to take bold and decisive action to safeguard our planet for future generations.